Can you stand up from a chair without using your hands? If you hesitated or said no, your legs are weaker than you think, and walking won't fix it. After 50, walking is like putting gas in a car with a dying engine. It keeps you moving, but it doesn't rebuild what's breaking down. And what's breaking down? Your muscle, your balance, your independence. Studies show that 1 in 3 people over 50 who only walk will lose critical muscle mass within just 6 months. And that's when falls happen. Here's something most health professionals won't tell you. Walking keeps your heart healthy, but it lets your legs go weak. That's why experts call it maintenance, not rebuilding. In this video, I'm going to share 3 proven exercises that do way more for your body than walking ever could. They rebuild leg strength, get your blood flowing, and restore your balance. All from the comfort of home. No equipment needed. Exercise 1. Wall SIT, the first exercise, looks so simple that most people skip it. Big mistake. Physical therapists call this the fountain of youth for your legs. And here's why. The wall sit strengthens your legs, stabilizes your knees, and trains your circulation all at once. Physical therapists prescribe this all the time because it activates the big muscle groups that walking misses, your quads, glutes, and core stabilizers. How to do it? Stand with your back against the wall. Now slide down slowly until your knees are bent at about 90 degrees, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Press your lower back gently into the wall and hold. You'll feel your thighs and glutes engage right away. The wall sit forces your muscles to contract without movement, what we call isometric activation. This kind of training is crucial for those of us over 50 because it rebuilds strength without stressing your joints. Research shows that holding isometric positions improves blood pressure control, joint stability, and even bone density when done regularly. Instructions. Start with 15 to 20 seconds per set and gradually work up to 45 or 60 seconds as you get stronger. Focus on steady breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Never hold your breath. Keep your shoulders relaxed and eyes forward. If your knees hurt, slide up a bit so the angle isn't as deep. If it's too easy, move your feet a little farther from the wall or hold longer. The key is consistency, not intensity. Even 2 or 3 rounds a day can dramatically improve your ability to stand, climb stairs, and move with confidence. The wall sit might look simple, but it's one of the most powerful moves to restore the foundation of your body, your legs. It doesn't just strengthen muscle. It retrains your nervous system to stay balanced and stable in everyday life. Exercise 2. Heel-to-toe walk. This next one is the same test police officers use for sobriety checks. But doctors use it for something completely different. Predicting who will fall in the next year. Can you pass it? It's called the heel-to-toe walk, and hospitals and rehab centers around the world use it to prevent falls and restore walking stability. How to do it. Stand tall with your shoulders back and eyes focused on a point straight ahead. Place one foot directly in front of the other, so your heel touches the toes of your back foot, just like walking a tightrope. Take slow, deliberate steps, keeping your balance centered and your core gently engaged. You'll immediately feel your ankles, calves, and hips working to stabilize each step. That's because the heel-to-toe walk activates your proprioceptive system, the network of sensors in your joints and muscles that tells your brain where your body is in space. As we get older, this system weakens, making us less aware of how we're moving. This simple drill brings it back to life. Instructions: walk for about 10 to 15 steps forward. Then turn around carefully and repeat. If you struggle with balance, do it near a wall or countertop for light support. The goal isn't speed. It's precision and control. Breathe slowly and stay focused on how your feet feel connecting with the ground. Doctors often call this a neuromuscular tune-up. It strengthens a connection between your brain and body, something regular walking can't do. Over time, you'll notice you can react faster, catch yourself from tripping, and walk with a steadier rhythm. Extra challenge. For an added challenge, try close your eyes for 1 or 2 steps, only if it's safe, or walk backwards slowly. These variations improve spatial awareness and strengthen the small stabilizers in your ankles and hips. Just 5 minutes of heel-to-toe walking each day can dramatically lower your fall risk, improve circulation in your legs, and make your walk smoother and more confident. It's a therapeutic exercise that brings back control one careful step at a time. Exercise 3. Seated leg extension. Here's the scary part. After 50, you lose up to 3% of your leg muscle every single year. This simple move done from your couch can actually reverse that, and it takes less than 5 minutes. The seated leg extension is one of the safest and most effective ways to rebuild lower body strength, improve blood flow, and ease stiffness, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Physical therapists often prescribe this to prevent muscle loss and keep your circulation active. How to do it. Sit up tall in a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands lightly on the sides of the seat. Now, slowly extend your right leg forward until it's parallel to the ground. Pause at the top for 2 or 3 seconds, tightening your thigh muscles. Then lower it back down with control. Switch legs and repeat. That's 1 round. This movement targets your quadriceps, the powerful muscles at the front of your thighs that play a key role in standing, walking, and climbing stairs. After 50, these muscles tend to weaken quickly, which is why a lot of us struggle to get up from chairs or feel our knees give out. The seated leg extension reverses that. Each controlled lift pumps fresh blood through your legs, feeding your tissues with oxygen and nutrients. So this exercise isn't just about strength. It's also about circulation health. It gently boosts blood flow, reduces swelling in your feet, and keeps your veins working efficiently. Instructions. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per leg, rest briefly, then repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Focus on quality. Lift slowly, hold firmly, lower with control. If it's too easy, you can add light ankle weights or loop a resistance band around your foot for extra tension. The beauty of this exercise is you can do it anywhere. Watching TV, on a phone call, even on an airplane. Over time, your legs will feel lighter, more stable, and more capable of supporting you in daily life. Walking keeps you moving, but the seated leg extension helps your body work better from the inside out, rebuilding strength that walking alone just can't reach. Closing, if this video makes sense to you, hit that like button. It tells me that people over 50 still care about real strength and independence. Subscribe so you never miss routines that truly change your body. Walking is good for your heart, but it's not enough to keep you strong after 50. To really protect your legs, joints, and balance, you need movements that challenge your muscles, not just your endurance. The wall sit rebuilds your foundation. The heel-to-toe walk restores your coordination, and the seated leg extension brings life back to your circulation. Together, they form a complete routine that keeps your lower body young. Do them daily, even for just a few minutes. You'll notice your steps feel lighter, your posture straighter, and your energy steadier throughout the day. Remember, you don't have to train hard. You just have to train smart. Strength and stability after 50 aren't lost with age. They're lost with inactivity. Take them back now. Which of these exercises feels most useful to you? The wall sit, heel-to-toe walk, or seated leg extension? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others over 50 rebuild real.